Chat. What's going on, y'all? We back in here with another video, and look, y'all, we is currently live, LIVE, man, over on the YouTube side. And if y'all want to be in the chat, chilling, vibing with us, fucking with us, and getting your requests done in front of your face, live in person, y'all should come through, and fuck with the lives. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, bad.
As y'all can clearly see, today joining me, I got my good brother that way. My fault, yeah. That way. My good brother K. Doodie, man. Mr. Doodie himself.
Happy to be here, chat. Let's get to it.
Hey, chat. We got that bald head Doodie low nigga.
Hey, y'all better know.
Oh, my nigga, can we get a shot of the Earl, Edney, and Jonathan in the chat for being in the live right now, chat? Real niggas. Real niggas. If you in this motherfucker, make sure you like and the live. Mozzy and Doodie low chat. GLOCK'D in? Nigga, GLOCK'D in is hard. GLOCK'D in. Hey chat, I gotta turn it up and turn the quality down. Alright, we in business.
Met too smooth with the realest bitch nigga came. Nah, for real.
I pop out with GLOCK'D. I pop out with killers, bitch. You know that we GLOCK'D in. I popped out with dog shit. I took the nigga bitch to the club. That gave her all day.
I'm still up at 6-0. Drop the low, little nigga, pull up and watch me hit some.
You can call me big money. In the club throwing your rent money. You can't get a cent from me. I pull up in that
and Doodie, not even a cent, bro.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, you low-key shit.
Damn, brother. I'm broke as hell. I'm just trying to eat, bro. I can't even get a dollar. It's like,
get a cent from me. I pull up big money. In the club throwing your rent money. You can't get a cent from me. I pull up in that fast shit. Nigga, I'm a bastard. I ain't never had shit. We pull up with G-Locks. Spent 100 on the AP. Used to wearing G-Shots. One-on-one to Michael Mary. And that nigga been a bitch, nigga. You can ask serious. Still got a pint of wop. I'm a real rich nigga. Pour it all in the block. And my pockets got the mumps. I said, bitch, I ain't making love. Shit, I gave her 2 pumps. So that hoe to give it up. Free pussy come with feelings. I'd rather pay a bitch to fuck, nigga. I pop out with GLOCK'D. I pop out with killers, bitch. You know that we GLOCK'D in. I popped out with dog shit. I took the nigga bitch to the club. That gave her all day.
I'm still up at 6-0.
hell no. It's like, it's no way. It's no way a bald nigga's gonna flex on me like that. Say no. This nigga Doodie a little bit sliding, bro. If you get your bitch fucked by a bald nigga, charge it to the game, gang. You might have to get out the game. I ain't gonna lie. No one to retire. A bald nigga's bad.
That gave her all day.
I'm still up at 6-0. Drop the low, little nigga, pull up and watch me hit some.
You can call me big money. In the club throwing your rent money. You can't get a cent from me.
Yeah. I'm popping out with Baby A. Hey, tell them boys to soup it up. I fuck with alley-oops and fadeaways. Hey, niggas better not play today. I give a fuck about this venue or would it pay me? You get spanked today, nigga. I bled the block and paved the way. Hey, I've been thugging all these years without no schmet. Niggas can't relate. I'm glocking in with every state. Grab utensils, buy a bucket, 5% him up and swap the plays. It's Auntie Trisha and this diary, I just dropped the A. The toppest rank around this bitch, these niggas know me well. Detective know the case is cold as hell. Hey, all my niggas had to go to jail about throwing shells. GLD.
I pop out with GLOCK'D.
Yeah, that was they should've.
You know that we GLOCK'D.
That was one of the ones. I fuck with that. It was both talk, not talk.
Yeah.
Mozzy got like 10 seconds. Went crazy. Oh, bro, that bitch slide. Hey chat. I appreciate y'all for watching and being locked in, man. I'm gonna see y'all niggas in the next video. Make sure y'all say appreciate it, K-Dubsky. Be nice, y'all. Be courteous. Respectful. Be demure. Say, nah. We'll see y'all niggas next one.